Hello and welcome to our vehicle control tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you, in case you lost your show files, how to do step by step a card re-import in Conductor on a Windows machine. If you require another card re-import tutorial from macOS, check out our ShowForge tutorial with the video link in the description below. In the first step we are going to create a new folder for our show data from our microSD card, which shows up in the drive here, and we just drag and drop it into our folder on our desktop. Once you have added your device, you just need to click here on with a right mouse click to import the show data, and then I usually keep it the same what it is recommended, and everything will be imported and deployed as a show file. And I usually leave it the same, and then you can import all the data. Congratulations! Now you have finally your show files in your show programming software once again. From here on is the typical workflow like it is usually. You save the show file, let's call it show number 1. Then you create the deployment package, which we create a separate folder also on our desktop for the deployment. And finally we add the HFX file we have already saved on our desktop for our deployment package in this project. We check also auto start and loop. Then we also select MP3, and then we start with the deployment process. Congratulations! Now you successfully created a new card file for your re-imported show files. And in case you require more tutorials, information or materials, check our website on vehiclecontrol.com. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.